Guys, welcome back to Easy Crypto. Now, what we're discussing today, what is going on with the market? Where are we in the market? Shall we sell? Is it all over for crypto? Is it all over for Bitcoin? This is what people are leading us to believe, but we need to understand where we are in the market and what is going on right now. So hopefully I can provide some valuable information to you. Where do you think we are in the current market? This is my current take, guys. So here's crypto bubbles. We're massively down. Everything is down, apart from a couple of randomers. But we've got ADA down 16%. We've got Algo down 22.5%. We've got ICP down 23.5%, guys. This is times like these where you should be looking to DCA in, right? These are massive price fluctuations and massive downtrends because Bitcoin is going down. It's dumping, but it's a healthy consolidation dump. Okay, render's down 7.5. I really want to get into render. I'm hoping it goes down lower, to be honest. In my opinion, it's a great time to be looking to invest into cryptocurrency because of these current prices. We've got Mana down 11%, Gala's down 20.7%. Some of these chances to get in these coins are massive, guys. So we need to take this into consideration. Have a look at your favorite coins, your watch list, and then slowly DCA in. I'm not saying put everything in because you might come down slightly lower, but times like these where you probably won't see this opportunity again within the next couple of years, to be perfectly honest with you. So it's really important that we stay consistent, guys. So I'm just going to bring you on to something which I thought was quite interesting. So this was posted on CoinMarketCap as well, just to give you some perspective of where we are currently now. So in the halving in 2022, 80 days before the actual halving date, we're down 52%, right? In 2016, 80 days before halving, we're down 62%, we're down 52% in 2020. In 2024, where we are now, we are down 42%. So 80 days before the halving, down 42%. So we're absolutely in line to do what we have done in previous bull cycles, which is go parabolic as soon as we hit the halving, to just continue going. So there's no need to get massively fearful, guys. And people who are telling you it's over are completely wrong. We've got 80 days left to halving, plenty of time. So we'll move on. Another thing I wanted to bring you as well. So Bitcoin has reached 50. Let me get this right. Yeah. So we actually went over 500 exahashes per second recently. So this, I think this was in, I can't quite get to the bloody thing. Anyway, let's try and scroll over a little bit. Yeah, so we went over 500 exahashes per second. So just for some context, what that particularly means is that when the exahashes are going up, normally the price is going up as well. So we continuing with bullish signaling. So we've got exahashes rate is continually seeing new all-time highs. We head on an upward trajectory. So let's take you over to something which is even more of a signal for us that Bitcoin is going to explode and the market is going to explode as well. Our favorite guy, Jim Cramer. Everyone loves to hate him. So obviously, we know when Jim Cramer says something, we'll do the opposite because it's always right, guys. It's madness. This is probably our best signal for showing us that Bitcoin is going to go to the moon, right, guys? So this is what Jim Cramer has currently said over the last few days. So where are we here? Here we go. So they on the 19th of January, you knew they would make a stand on Bitcoin here. Let them try to hold it up for a couple of days. So he's saying, let them try and hold it up for a couple of days. It's going to just sink, right, guys? And then here we go again. Unlikely. So this is 22 hours ago. Unlikely that Bitcoin finds its footing. So more FUD, more trying to get people to sell. And then we've had even more Bitcoin equals tough own. It's almost comical, guys. So look at this. Now that Bitcoin's down about 20% from its high, expect a strong stand to be made, but it won't hold because not enough money is coming in. New theme, number go down. So it's actually comical. I don't even know if it's a joke at this point, to be honest, because everyone who knows anything about cryptocurrency would just do the complete opposite to what this guy's saying and then make money. So I don't know if he's actually pissing about now, because it just sounds, it's actually comical. So guys, whenever you listen to this guy, if you want to follow him, I have, because it just symbolises the fact that I'm going to do the total opposite. If it's going to go down, I believe, if he's saying it's going to go down, it's going to go up, guys. So there we go. There's the line in the sand for that one, right? And just some positive news. I would give Alex Becker a follow. I do think he has some great information. Take it with a pinch of salt, as you do with everyone, but here's what Alex Becker's got to say over the last few hours. The Bitcoin ETF isn't a long-term sell the news event. A sell the news event is where if you don't sell the news, you are fucked. I have a feeling everyone selling now and panicking will be feeling fucked in 6 to 12 months. I think even 49k will look cheap. Now this is a great post because this is exactly what I think as well. Everyone who's selling now and feeling the pressure, seeing your portfolios go down for a couple of weeks, you know, or a month. Think about this. 6 to 12 months is not a long time, guys. 6 to 12 months is literally just around the corner. It's just around the corner. So the price going down now, seeing red, just keep hodling, keep holding until we get some gains, guys. And that is coming really soon anyway, really short period of time. If you compare that to like stocks, shares and things like that, this is a lifetime opportunity. So just wanted to bring that to you as well. I'll give Alex Becker a follow. He got some great information. Now coming on to charting, so we're going to come over to TradingView now. I personally use the free option at the moment. This is where we are sitting currently. So I do believe we'll probably drop down to the 37k region, but I don't think we'll be there for long. And I do think there's enough support there to carry us back up to a decent level. But if we do break through this 37k level, I do believe then we will be touching around the 32 to 33k level. So these are key areas, guys, I would look for. But obviously do your own charting, have a look at other people's charting, but these two areas I believe are where we will pull back to from a personal perspective, guys. I don't think we're not going to go lower than 32, and I really don't think we're going to go lower than 37. But I might be wrong. But if it does happen, that just gives me more opportunity and gives you guys more opportunity to invest in the market. That's the way you've got to look at it, and that's a simple way of looking at it. So, from a liquidations standpoint, I don't trade with leverage, guys. I just use spot and I hold basically. So I hold. I'm a long-term investor. I don't trade short-term investments. But this is another reason to be really careful when using leverage, guys. So over the last 24 hours, we've seen 93.24 million be liquidated, right? That's a crazy amount in 24 hours, and that's in Bitcoin. And in Ethereum, we've seen 73.72 million liquidations. To be really careful. Personally, unless you're really clued up and been trained for a long time, I wouldn't even touch this, and I wouldn't even touch the buy and sell signals that people set out, because this could be you, guys. A huge amount there that has been liquidated. Don't be that person, right? Look at your projects, your key portfolio, key projects, and DCA into them. You're going to be so much better off in the long run. This is a short-term game. This wouldn't play it. Obviously, it's not financial advice, and you can do whatever you want. So, guys, I think... Is there anything else I wanted to talk about? Freedom Fair. Right, sure, let's talk about something else. So guys, bringing you on to the greed and fear index for today, as we always do. So yesterday we were in greed, last week we were in greed, and last month we were in greed. Because of what's happening at the moment, market conditions, we've now moved to neutral. That reflects in the price. Crypto is all about the fear and greed index. So guys, personally believe we might head into fear slightly if we keep continuing going down, but I'll keep you updated on that. So summarising the video, guys, we are down, our portfolios are down, but please don't get fearful. Please hold on to your bags, and this time next year we'll be in a massively different position. All these will be thousands of percent up, guys, so don't get fearful and hold your bags. Brilliant DC opportunity are around the corner for all of your favorite coins, and we'll see you on the next one. So like, share and subscribe, guys. See you in a bit.